What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to see cache on laptop. So to quit that, head over to the search section, search for run, and here you will find the run. Turn it on. Now search for percentage, temp percentage, and click on OK. And here you will find all of your cache files. So if you want to delete all of them, just press Ctrl A on your keyboard and press on delete, and all of your files will be deleted. So yeah, this is how easily you can just delete cache files on laptop. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.